In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an A5 page to A4 in Microsoft Word. If you've been working on a document set to A5 size and now need to print it on A4 paper, or simply want more space to adjust your layout, this process is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the steps so your content scales properly and your formatting stays clean. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document that is currently set to A5. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to quickly scroll through the document and note how the text, images, and spacing look. This way, after resizing, you'll know exactly what adjustments might be needed. Next, go to the Layout tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In some versions of Word, this may be labeled as Page Layout. Within this tab, look for the Size option in the Page Setup group. Click on Size, and you'll see a list of available paper sizes. From the drop-down menu, select A4. As soon as you click it, Word will automatically adjust the page dimensions from A5 to A4. You'll immediately notice that the page becomes larger, giving your content more space. The text and images will not stretch automatically, but the layout will reflow to fit the new page size. After resizing, take a moment to review your document. Because A4 is larger than A5, you may notice extra white space on the page or changes in how paragraphs break across pages. If needed, you can adjust margins by clicking Margins in the same Layout tab. Choosing narrower or custom margins can help balance the spacing. You may also want to check font sizes, line spacing, and image alignment to ensure everything looks proportionate on the larger page. In most cases, Word handles the transition smoothly, but a quick review ensures your document maintains a professional appearance. Finally, if you plan to print the document, click File, then Print, and confirm that the paper size is set to A4 in your printer settings. This helps prevent scaling issues during printing. And that's it. Resizing an A5 page to A4 in Microsoft Word takes just a few clicks, allowing you to quickly adapt your document to a different paper size without starting from scratch. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.